Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I have officially earned my third dawn. This was the last requirement I had to do. I already finished my test previously, just had to break those 3 bricks, and I'm very happy that I was able to actually do it on the first try. 2 years ago when I tested for my second dawn, most of you probably remember I had to roundhouse kick a baseball bat, and then I also had to break 1 brick, and just breaking that 1 brick 2 years ago was definitely a challenge. It took me several tries, so I was very happy now 2 years later to be able to just break through 3 bricks on the first try. So I was very happy with that. And I'm also sure most of you probably already saw this video if you follow me on Instagram. I did post it on there a few days ago. Thank you all so much for all of the really nice, kind, supportive messages. I'm still working on just replying to a lot of the comments and messages on there. You guys are really awesome and I appreciate the support. And then last, yes, I am wearing a arm guard when doing this break because I would prefer to not fracture anything in my arm. It's already kind of a risky break, especially with my small arm. So I definitely don't want to risk breaking anything right now, especially I am a full-time instructor. I'm actively making videos and I am actively training as a Taekwondo athlete. So if I were to risk injuring myself and possibly limiting being able to train and just do everything else would definitely be a careless thing to do. So yes, I am wearing something on my arm to protect it. But thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of the positive comments and the support you guys are always leaving me on my Instagram and on YouTube. You guys are just really awesome. Make sure you guys are doing your best to still keep training. I know it's hard if you guys are stuck at home. I am planning on releasing some more at-home training videos as well as just sharing some of my training that I'm doing currently right now. So make sure you be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.